Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineer. Today I am going to present the presentations about solar eclipse 2021 that is going to be held on June 10. This year this is the Ring of Fire solar eclipse or annular solar eclipse. Before going to details in detail, those who not yet subscribe my YouTube channels, subscribe YouTube channel, share and like so that you can get up to date informations about different general knowledge, foreign affairs, video series on social science, and video series on CTT, OTT, OSSTT, BD, MED, etc. So without making delay, let's start. First solar eclipse 2021 on June 10 will take place on June 10, which is going to be held tomorrow. This celestial event comes just days after the year's first super blood moon and total lunar eclipse, which took place on May 26. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes in between the earth and the sun and blocks the light of the sun from falling on earth. This is the image that given you, the sun and the earth, in between that the moon is situated. Okay, so this is the, in this situation the solar eclipse occurred. Next, as part the map published by NASA, the solar eclipse will be visible in India but only from Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. Those who are based in parts of the eastern United States, northern Alaska, Canada and parts of the Caribbean, Europe, Asia and northern Africa will get to see the solar eclipse. In most of the area, the 2021 annular solar eclipse event will start at 1:42 Indian Standard Time and it will be at peak at 6:41 prime time or in Indian Standard Time. Next, so before going to discuss that is in details about solar eclipse, first you should know what is an eclipse. An eclipse occurs when one object in space blocks an observer from seeing another object in space. From Earth, there are two main types of eclipse. One is solar eclipse and second one is lunar eclipse. So today we are going to discuss about solar eclipse that is going to be held on June 10. So what is solar eclipse? A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes in front of the sun, causing a shadow to fall on certain portions of the earth, and the eclipse is not seen from every place on earth but only from the locations where the shadow falls. From this location it appears as if the sun has gone dark. Next, that is solar eclipse types. There are three main parts of the moon's shadows during an eclipse called the umbra, penumbra and atumbra. The umbra is the portions of the moon's shadow where the moon completely covers the sun. You are watching this or looking these pictures that umbra is written. And second one, that is atumbra, the area of the shadow beyond the point of the umbra. Here the moon is completely in front of the sun but does not cover the entire sun. And the third one, that is penumbra, the area of the shadow where only portions of the moon is in front of the sun, that is called penumbra, that is written in your in the pictures. So this is the three parts of the moon, that is umbra, penumbra and atumbra. Next, types of eclipse. Depending on what part of the shadow you are located in, there are three types of eclipse. First one is total eclipse. A total eclipse is where the sun is covered completely by the moon. Second one, that is annular. An annular eclipse is when the moon covers the sun, but the sun can be seen around the edges of the moon. This is also called as the ring of fire. So this is the second images. First images, that is total eclipse. Second, that is your annular or the ring of fire, and the third one, that is partial eclipse. A partial eclipse is when only portions of the sun is blocked by the moon. Next, that is very very important, that you should know that don't look at a solar eclipse with empty sky. Never look directly at solar eclipse even though it appears darker. The harmful rays of the sun can still damage your eyes. You can use different methods to watch the solar eclipse. You should use telescopes. You can also use black glasses to see the solar eclipse. Next, that is some interesting facts about solar eclipse. The longest that a solar eclipse will last in 7.5 minutes. The most solar eclipse of any type that can occur in Earth within a year is 5. A total solar eclipse occur about every 1.5 years. And animals sometimes become confused and behave strongly during a total eclipse of the sun. Next, that is both NASA and TimeandDate.com have published the live stream link of the solar eclipse 2021 so that everyone can watch this rare astronomical event online on June 10. A link of the live streams below, that is YouTube given. You can also click on that link and watch the live stream video of solar eclipse. Next, that is when will be the next solar eclipse. The next solar eclipse of 2021 will appear on December 4, and this celestial event will also be not visible in India. People from South America, the Pacific, the Atlantic, parts of Indian Oceans, and the Antarctica will get to witness the fourth eclipse of 2021. Thank you. Have a nice day.